Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Chariya's Vlogs for another new exciting vlog. And as you all know that I'm working as an assistant manager at Deloitte Kolkata, but recently I've shifted to the Hyderabad Deloitte office, and today I'll be going first time at Hyderabad office of Deloitte, and I have dreamed of this day since long. So today a dream come true will be happening. So today is the day. We'll show you everything, whatever I'll be able to show you about the Deloitte office, because I'm admiring it a lot. So without delaying any time, let's go.
Hello everyone, welcome to my vlog. Today is a very special day for me because I am taking you on an exclusive tour of the Deloitte Hyderabad office, a place I always dreamt of being a part of, and today that dream has turned into reality. From the entrance gate to the 9th floor, from the cafeteria to the gym, I'll show you every corner of this amazing workplace. If you have ever imagined what it feels like to work at one of the big four, stay tuned because this vlog will give you a glimpse of that life. Before we dive into the office tour, let's talk a little about what the big four actually means. The big four are the four largest professional services networks in the world: Deloitte, PwC, EY and KPMG. They provide services in audit, tax, consulting, risk advisory and more. And Deloitte is the largest among the big four in terms of revenue and workforce. It operates in over 150 countries and employs hundreds of thousands of professionals globally. So that's a glimpse about Big Four. Anyways, some of you might remember my previous video where I visited the Deloitte Kolkata office. That's where I got my ID card, laptop and joining kits. If you haven't watched that yet, it's in my playlist. You can go and check it out. So today it's about Hyderabad. They have told us that we can explore the campus, look around the towers and get a glimpse of the amazing facilities here. I'm not sure if vlogging inside is allowed, so I'll definitely take permissions first. Wherever I'm permitted to vlog, I'll bring you along with me. This vlog is going to be a mix of exploration, first impressions and a dream come true moment for me. The Deloitte Hyderabad campus is located in the heart of the city's IT hub. It's surrounded by leading tech giants, food courts and premium office spaces. Compared to many other Deloitte offices, the Hyderabad is one who stands for its sheer scale, its modern infrastructure, and the way it has been designed to encourage both collaboration and comfort. As I walked in today, the first thing I noticed was the high level of security. Professional but very welcoming. The lobby is bright, spacious, and beautifully designed. Comfortable sitting areas, minimalistic decor, and inspiring messages on the walls give you a sense that this place is designed for people to think big. The view from 8th floor is simply stunning. You can see the Hyderabad skyline, a mix of modern skyscrapers and the city's historic charm. See guys, this is the view from my table. You can see the whole city from here, and during sunset it looks so beautiful and peaceful. The workspace here are designed to keep you inspired. It's an open office setup with ergonomical chairs, flexible desks, and collaboration zones for team discussions. Natural light floods the space, and greenery is placed throughout to add freshness. Whether it's a busy morning with coffee in hand or a quiet moment during training breaks, the view is really that makes you feel calm and motivated at the same time. The infrastructure here is world class. You can see it's really well decorated, and from spacious lobbies to high-speed lifts and well-designed workflows, every corner is thoughtfully planned with modern interiors, lots of open spaces and natural lighting. There are collaborative zones, private pods and even relaxation areas to suit different work styles. The entire office feels both professional and welcoming, creating a perfect environment to work and grow. And from every corner of your floor you can see this awesome beautiful view, from cafeteria, whereas from gym, whereas from your work table. From everywhere you can see this beautiful city view. Now I am heading towards the pantry section where I'll be making a cup of coffee, and also will show you everything over here. You can see the Deloitte mugs here. I have taken one, and I'll make a double cappuccino coffee here. You can see many options are there. I have taken this one, and until it gets ready I'll show you these things: ginger extract, you can see masala extract, cardamom extract, as well as jaggery powder also you can see. So these options are really good and very helpful So my cup of coffee is almost ready, and while taking a sip of it, I'll show you the view. See the view from here, as well as I have shown you and told you before also, from every corner, every side you can see this beautiful road view. While having a coffee here, the view is just amazing. You can see the city spread out below. The towers, the roads, everything looks so lively, and during the evening it feels really calm and refreshing. It feels like the city spread out like a painting. The tall towers, moving traffic, and the open sky make it feel alive yet peaceful. In the evenings, the whole scene turns golden as the sun sets. It's a perfect spot to take a break, sip your coffee, and refresh your mind before getting back to the work. Now I'll be going to the canteen, and I'll show you the big huge canteen section that I am seeing for the first time as well. Food is always a big part of any office tour, right? The Deloitte Hyderabad cafeteria is large, bright, and full of options, from Indian thalis to international snacks, from healthy salads to quick grab and go bites. They have got something for every mood. The canteen provides affordable quality meals for employees, and the vibe during lunch hours is just amazing. Teams laughing, bonding, and enjoying a break together. This is one of those spaces where work friendships really grows. You can see the view from here as well. From the canteen also, the view is breathtaking. You can see the long towers from here as well, and it's really amazing to see this view from the canteen. While taking the evening snacks, if you can see the tall towers, moving traffic, and the open sky which turns into golden while sun sets. Isn't it amazing? It's really amazing to see this view from here. You guys have remembered my Infosys office tour as well, I guess. And there also I have shown you Infosys Hyderabad campus as well as Infosys Kolkata campus. And I have also shown you the canteen over there. So while coming here, I have remembered those campuses because it is also very well decorated and you can get plenty of options from here. So I have taken some foods from here. As you can see, double chocolate nut cookies I have taken, that is 160 rupees, and also I have taken one donut that is costing rupees 80. So here one option is there, like you can see I'm viewing cart and then proceed to pay. So 240 rupees it's paid, it's almost done, and after this you will get a message that it's paid and one token number will be given. You have to show that token number to the canteen counter and then you will get your food. The moment you step into the lobby, the decoration immediately sets a positive vibe. You can see the plants are well decorated and it gives you a very positive vibe. The chairs are modern, comfortable, and arranged to create a welcoming sitting area for guests and employees. There are elegant planters placed all around, bringing a touch of greenery that makes the space feel fresh and lively. The lighting is soft yet bright enough to give a professional and warm ambience. Now I'll be going to the 9th floor to show you all the gym as well as the play area. So I have reached the Deloitte 9th floor, and here you can see the play area as well as you will be seeing the gym. So first I'll be taking you to show the play area. Here you can see table tennis, chess, carom as well as billiards, and net practice for cricket is also available here, and see a mini gallery is also set up here. It's really looking very cute. So I have shown you this as well as I will show you other game options also. So let's go. Here is another table tennis board. People are enjoying this as you can see. So now I'll be taking you all to the gym section. Before that, I'll be showing you some other game options that are available over here. So you can see how beautifully it is decorated, and here you can see chess is available. So the board is also very nice. It's really well decorated. Many options are here for playing, and you can see how well decorated the lobby area is. And from here as well you can see the beautiful view, and here sitting area is also there, and you can see this beautiful view. And this is 9th floor. Below this 8th floor, here it is canteen area that I have already shown you. So now let's go to the gym section without delaying any time. The gym in the Deloitte Hyderabad office is fully equipped with modern fitness machines and a clean, spacious layout. It has everything from treadmills and weights to yoga mats, making it easy to stay fit without leaving the campus. The atmosphere is calm and motivating, perfect for a quick workout before or after office hours. The machines are modern and well maintained, so you can have a complete workout experience without stepping out of the office. And one of the best part is the view from the gym. Especially when you are on the treadmill, you can see the city stretching out through the large glass windows. It feels so refreshing to walk or run while looking at the skyline, the moving traffic, and the open sky. During the evenings, the sunset view makes the workout even more relaxing and motivating. It's a perfect mix of fitness and a bit of peacefulness in the middle of a busy day. You will find treadmills, cross trainers, and stationary bikes for cardio. There are dumbbells, barbells, and kettlebells for weight training. For stretching exercises, they have machines like leg press, chest press, lat pull down, and cable machines. There are also a dedicated area for yoga mats, resistance bands, and medicine balls for stretching, warm ups, and core exercises. The gym is really spacious and you can see mirrors all over, and the view from here is really amazing as I have shown you. So guys, I am done for today and it's almost 6:30, so I'll be going to the ground now and see if the lift is also very spacious. And here also you can see many quotes written like strengths, focus, coach, motivation, talent, empowerment, etc, etc, by which you will be getting motivated even in lift also. So anyways, I was joking. So now I have reached the ground floor and the lift is very fast really. So anyways, I'll show you the outside view as well. As we all know that Hyderabad is one of the most vibrant cities in India, and from historical places like Charminar to the modern tech hubs, the city has it all. And the Deloitte office is right in the middle of this, making it easy to travel, explore and stay connected. So what I do here? I work as an assistant manager. It's a role where you get to guide your team, handle client requirements, ensure project delivery and also take part in decision making. Here we have to do core codings as well. Deloitte provides great support for this, training, mentorship and opportunities to grow as a future leader.
So hello everyone, today is my first day at Hyderabad Deloitte office and really it's awesome. Whenever I came to Hyderabad and I passed that Deloitte office, I thought of coming here one day, and today my dream came true, because here the office is like very well decorated and you can see at my back I'm just having a walk here because this is almost, you have to take around at least 15 to 20 minutes for a walk. There are other two towers also, as you can read as you can see, and the weather is very pleasant nowadays in Hyderabad, and the rest of the things I have already shown you. So have a look at it.
You can see here the outdoor playground for the volleyball and other sports as well. For me, this is not just a job, it's a dream coming true. I have always imagined myself working in a big four, and today standing here in Deloitte Hyderabad, it feels like all the hard work was worth it. From my first joining days in Kolkata to exploring this amazing campus in Hyderabad, it has been a journey of learning, patience and constant effort. If you have the same dream, believe me, it's possible. Keep going, keep improving, and one day you might be sitting at a desk with a view like this too. So that was my first visit to the Deloitte Hyderabad office. From the entrance to the cafeteria, from the gym to the skyline view, everything here is designed for innovation, collaboration and growth. I'm glad I could share this experience with you all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and comment if you enjoyed this vlog, or if you have any questions about life in a big four. This is just beginning, more experiences to come, and I'll take you along for every step. Until next time, stay inspired and keep growing. And next video I'll show you the joining kit as well. So now I'll be going back, and from here I'm showing you the Deloitte towers, and I guess you all have enjoyed the video. So don't forget to do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And here in the I tags as well as in the descriptions, I'll also tag my Infosys Hyderabad STP campus, Hyderabad SEZ campus, as well as Infosys Kolkata campus and Deloitte Kolkata campus tour as well. Here I'm showing you the evening view, and it looks really awesome. In the evening, the road to Deloitte looks really lively with the city lights turning on, traffic moving smoothly, and the whole whole area around the campus glowing. It feels calm yet full of energy as you approach the office. Isn't it looks really amazing? I know you all have loved it. So I'm ending the video here. We'll meet you in my next vlog. Till then, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe my channel.